What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. This is Harrison with New Way Van Life. I'm sitting inside of this epic 144 build. It's got our base foundation kit in here. It's the walls, floor, and ceiling that we call the SuperStructure Panel Kit. There's a whole lot packed into here, a whole lot of next generation upgrades. We got a whole lot to dice up in here, so we're gonna jump in and get after it. Starting at the top and working our way down. We're here with the ceiling. This has got an integrated AC and heating unit, as well as a max fan in the rear. My favorite integration with this kit is our next generation lighting system. It's got three-way switching controls on the rear to turn the lights on and off, as well as the front. So let's check this lighting system out. We got yellow lights on right now. We're gonna use our color adjustment switch up here in the front B-pillar on the passenger side of the vehicle. We're gonna cycle to red. We got our standby mode here. We cycle through again. We got white, yellow, red, standby. When the lights are in standby mode, they're all on still. So the cool feature here is that you can come and you can adjust your colors by touching them with your hand. So you got all the three different colors here, and you can turn them off, change them however you want. When you're done with this setting, you can come back over to your color change switch and sync them all back up. Moving down, we have our electrical access panels. We like to call these the EAPs. Behind these, what you're gonna find is your wiring harness that hooks up to the distribution box of the EcoFlow power kit. Throughout the wiring harness, you're gonna find all the drops for your 110 volt outlets and circuits, as well as all the drops for the 12 volt circuits, including some extra runs that will run all the way to the front headliner that you can tap off of or route to wherever you need at any point in time. On the upper wall here, we have our control for the Dometic Penguin 2 AC and heating unit. This is an all electric unit. It's powered by the EcoFlow power kit. This is the display console for the EcoFlow power kit, which we got very well documented in an assortment of other videos and shorts. So you can go check those out if you got any questions or leave anything in the comments for us. We're gonna move on to the other side of the vehicle where we got our integration for all the Van Essential window covers, as well as our window frames. If you guys got windows in your van, our kits have you covered. We got the Van Essential window covers integrated into all of our window panels, so you can black them out just as easy as it is to take them off. We got our window cavities all trimmed out with our window trim kits. This fills in the gap in between the panel and the window. It gives you a nice sturdy windowsill for you to relax or rest or drink on. Onto our floor kit. We're going to jump into a few of the notable features here, starting with the sheet vinyl flooring. It's a lawn seal floor covering, and it's available in a variety of textures and colors for you to choose from. We got our T-slot covers on the floor kit right now. These things are easily removable, and they open up a ton of different modular mounting options. Let's check out the charging methods with the EcoFlow power kit here. We've got our alternator charging cable here, which charges the power kit when the engine is running. We've got our PV charging, which is the solar panel charging. And we've also got our shore power charging, which you can plug into any standard household outlet. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos or find the links in the description for the build page and the SuperStructure Panel Kit page. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. Hit the bell to be notified when we're dropping our future videos. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button. Peace.